Holy cow, unplanned video, but somebody asked me about my bag that I have on my back a few days ago. They wanted to show this. Just a camera bag. Let me get it up like this. Just a camera bag. And I keep all my stuff in there, like my cigarettes, which I don't smoke on my videos, Got a mask with me. I don't know if I'll wear it. Hand sanitizer. Lighter. Flashlight. You'll never know when you need a flashlight. So I keep all that stuff with me in my bag. Just thought I'd tell you, I gotta set this down so I can zip up my bag. Whoops! Didn't have it steady enough. Hang on a minute. Okay. Let me zip up my bag while I'm sitting here farting. Now, put this on my shoulder. Hang on a minute. Put it on my shoulder. That's what that is. All my accessible stuff I need. I also carry my seizure medication with me. Hey, you never know. Anything can happen. Hope not. Anything can happen. I'm underneath where I'm at. It's the old highway. It's a highway bridge. I'm underneath there. I'm over by Bridgeview. That's where I'm at. And I noticed some. I gotta fix my phone. I gotta tighten it. I noticed some interesting stuff. Graffiti. Well, first we'll go here. This says Wabash Railroad. Well, this path here goes down there, and I showed you a lot of it. It used to, many years ago, probably before my time, it used to be a railroad. It's no longer here. And this is rather cool. I actually like it. Look at this. Somebody might have been trying to graffiti it, but it says follow the flag, Wabash. But it's sort of interesting. It's a street here in town. And over here, some weird graffiti work. I don't get this. Find me. Ben Powers. Butterfly Morgan. Okay. That's interesting. And down here it says KCINN 2222. Just interesting graffiti work. Look. And what is this? Oh, like those old bicycles they used to have. Oh yeah, I seen one of those in Red Dead Redemption 2, a video game, when I actually did play video games a lot. And what are these things? They're all along here. They're all along. Even down that way. What are they? There's the highway bridge. More graffiti work over there I can't get to. But, what are they? They're all in here. Huh. I don't know. Maybe somebody can tell me what they're for. Over here, I showed this on another video, but I showed it from afar. I didn't show it too up close. But over here is one of the Little League. I think it's Little League. Yeah, Little League. Almost said minor league. We don't have a minor league team. Anyway, Little League team. And over here, where that fence is the home run territory. Well, way over there is the foul territory. It's pretty well kept up, as you can see. They keep it mowed and they keep it up to date. So it's really, really nice. I went there a couple times as a kid. I never played baseball. I wasn't that talented. I went there with a couple friends to watch games. No, it was not one of my talents. My talent is shooting videos. That's it. Look at that. Ain't this pretty? See the sun over in the background. About 8 o'clock in the morning. Just beautiful. Well, that's random. What's the cooler doing over there? I don't know. But a pretty random spot. See, I showed this on oh boy. The ducks are out. There's ducks over here. Not only in Natoma Park, they're over here. I'll try to get close. Be very, very quiet. I'm hunting rabbits, actually ducks. Look. Look at there. Look at that. Hi, fellas. Look at that. 4 of them just out wandering around. Well, you see, out walking, you don't know what you're going to see. You have to look around. And I'm not always looking at my phone. I'm always looking around. I showed this on one video, and the sign still strikes me funny. No motorized vehicles or horses. Holy cow! Chief Buffalo Trail. One day, I filmed Bridgeview, and over here a little bit, I showed you this bridge. This is a landmark that a lot of people don't know about. This used to be the old railroad bridge. The bridge has been taken out. This is part of the path walk. You can walk now, and it's really nice. It's really nice. It stinks like dead fish over here. But other than that, it's really nice. Look at that graffiti work. God, this. Why do people have to do that? Just throw dead fish around. Hate that. River Flow Monitor Station. Des Moines River. And that's what this river is. Des Moines River. I think it goes all the way to Mississippi. Over there is the dam. I'm gonna get that today. Another one suggestions that Kev, give me a couple suggestions. God, the dead fish really stink. Man, I hate that. People's done that for years. I don't know why they gotta do that. It ruins the great outdoor view. See? And this here is still the old railroad bridge that has never been removed. See how it's all rusted and out? I've never walked across here, so I was a tad nervous, but seems pretty safe. I can't swim, so, but seems pretty safe so far. Wish me luck. Got a ways to go. Yeah, this here's a landmark. People don't know about this landmark. It's headed towards downtown. Get a drink of water. Okay. Man, I don't know how many videos I've showed. Probably a couple, 3. From the time of high school, way over in yonder. I even did it on one video. So, Tom Arnold graduated from there. I know. He also graduated from Indian Hills Community College here. Community college in town, right here in town. Someday I want to do that. See? This here was part of the railroad bridge. Never been removed. They've added those lights, but other than that, I don't know about this fence. The fence looks new. But other than that, it's still all here. It's all part of the railroad bridge. That was before my time, when I was a kid. Even though when I was a kid, the railroad tracks were still here, but they didn't run trains on it anymore. Up here, eagle viewing. Feeding times, January, February. Let's take a look. Wow. Look at that. More graffiti. Your little ass is so small. No, I don't want to show that. That's too graphic. There's a lot of graffiti. And a lot of this is just, I wouldn't put this on my video. A lot of it I wouldn't. It's, no. Even has an N word on the side there. I'm going to try to avoid it. Okay. Chief Buffalo Trail. This more the path. No motorized vehicle, horses on bridge. More the path. Construction company. I showed that building over yonder in one video. Now, I got a question. I'm very talkative today. Unlike me, I might change. 10 minutes. I'm going to show you a building. Just in the back, just be afar. And I got a question. What is it? I thought about shooting it in the video, but I have no idea what it is. Over there by the old train. What is that building and what's it for? It's got white on it and it goes from there to there. What is it? I'm curious. I'd like to know what it is in case I ever shoot another video with it. But if you know what that is, please tell me. Alright. Now, there's the Viaduct Bridge. That bridge has never, ever been flooded. Not once. The water has to go too high. That would be impossible for it to reach way up there. Now, the bridge in the background, over there, the smaller bridge, it gets flooded a lot. Because I see something and I'm wondering what the heck it is. I don't know. But it gets flooded a lot. Because it's pretty lower than this one. I see something, I'm gonna walk down here. I was looking at the other bridge. Oh, sir. See the bird resting up there? What is that? What is that? That black thing they're swinging. That is an awesome question. Is it a dead bird? I don't know. But it's creepy. Okay. Getting back on my path here. Remember one day I showed you on the other side? There's Bridgeview. Showed you about those lights that light up the Viaduct Bridge. Well, here's some of those lights. And at night, it's a pretty blue. Someday, one thing I want to do is I want to get a better phone. I can't film at night with this phone. But anyway, I want to film that pretty viaduct at night. It's a sight to see. Look at all this stuff. There's more downtown. Back into the buildings. Somebody here is on a bike. I'm going to try to get 6 feet apart. And I should be. That's what I always watch for in videos. Hello, sir. And I just hate wearing a mask. I'm sorry, I got it with me. If I was ever around a crowd of people like Walmart, yes, I would. I'm just not big wearing on the mask. I'm sorry. Let me get a drink. 14 minutes. Hang on a minute. Over there, power. That's needed. Now, over there is a bank. You know what was in that bank before? Are you ready for this? An empty parking lot. You heard that right. It's a joke around town that they put a bank on an empty parking lot. See? Pretty good sized bank. Up here, I'm sorry. I think this is the most pointless thing ever. They built a skate park, you know, for kids on the skateboards. And I rarely see it in use. Rarely. I mean, if I ever see two kids hanging around down here, I'm the most shocked person ever. because it doesn't happen. Nobody uses it. Nobody. And I don't know why. It's really nice, but pointless. That's possible to have nice and pointless in the same sentence. See? So why not? I don't know. Rotary Gardens. Stop and smell the flowers. Yeah, it's pretty. Up here is flags from different countries. I think Great Britain, United States, Korea. I recognize a few of them. Not all of them. I think that's Jamaica. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. No, this area is under 24-hour TV surveillance. Well, I'm not doing anything. Yeah, tell them that over there where I smelled all that dead fish. Okay. Huh. There's no one of those stupid signs. Well, zombie apocalypse trail etiquette. There's another one of those things. The feathers. I don't know what it is. Here's the trail system. Goes for quite a ways. Maintain a healthy weight. Well, I'm doing that with all my walks. Road work ahead. Wow. A lot of road work. Okay. Right where that car just went in, there was it's like a produce place. We could buy strawberries, lettuce, tomatoes, whatever. It has moved. I think it's downtown or maybe out at the airport, maybe Walmart. I don't know where it's at. But that was there when I was a kid. I smelled dead fish. Lord. Ruins a great view. The suggestion Kev gave to me, I thought I would throw it into my video. There really ain't much to talk about it. But I thought I would throw it in my video, just at random. Look at there. That's our dam that controls the water. Look at those two random trees out there. Oh God. Ooh. Dead fish. I wish people wouldn't throw fish around after fishing. Seriously. I noticed what they do. They've done it for years. Quite a few years. Ooh, Jesus. That's an awful smell. I don't want to stick around if you know I can't stand the smell. I'll try to shoot a little bit, but the smell is god awful. There's steps. And you can fish down here and then throw the fish wherever. There used to be a sign, but it's completely wore off. Hey, look, checkers. Huh. Interesting. More checkers. You know what? I'm going to take a seat. I'm not going to play checkers, though. I'm just going to take a seat. 19 minutes. Walking takes it out of you. That's a good little walk there. Nope, my ride didn't take me. I walked. They're not up. Okay, I had to hold my nose because of the dead fish. Stinks. Keep out, hazardous voltage. No shit. Of course there's hazardous voltage. Here's the building that helps hold the dam water. See? Pretty big building. And take some more of the dam before I officially move on. This helps control the water. It comes from Red Rock, I believe. But it helps control... Oh, there's a fence up here. Anyway. No loitering! Oh, anyway. See that? Oh God, dead fish. Baby fish. Hey, there's the, I gotta get out of here. Flies. There's the dam that helps control the water. I gotta get out of there. Maggots and fish and shit. God. People would clean up after themselves sometimes. I'm sorry for the rant, but it just, something that incredibly annoys me. Over in yonder there, in that building there, was, I don't know what, but it used to be our train and bus station. I showed you the fountain one day. Actually, a couple times. One time it was working. And the building's up for sale or lease. So, and there's a museum in there about trains and stuff. But there's nothing there. It's closed down. So unfortunately, I don't know if I could film in there or not, but I'll never know unless they move it somewhere. Oh, for a minute, I thought this said Broke Avenue. But it doesn't. Well, maybe not citing yesterday, but I was very talkative. I'm getting better and better at these. It takes practice. That's all. That's part of our water plant. H2O. But this ain't from there. This is store-bought. Anyway, look at that equipment. Look at that. The car coming. Truck. See? Hey, there's more of the water plant. I stepped in a great big hole there. That's the reason I jumped so much. Part of a water plant. Now, I don't know what this building is. I'm sure it has to do, because it's so close to the hydro, to the dam. So I'm pretty sure it has something to do with that, but it's over there. It's over there. I was going to cross because I want to show you something, but there was a vehicle coming. Yes, I'm always watching for traffic. Okay. See the balls? Wore off, but it used to be painted right there. I'm going to cross the street again. It's not really a street. I don't know what you call it, like an alley-esque. It's not even a word, esque. Esquire, Bill and Ted die anyway. Well, there's water plant. Huh, I haven't looked at my time in a while. 23 minutes. Well, I was talking up there for a long time, but hey, look, a cat. Caterpillar. I help control the water. Probably, my guess. There's the main highway bridge, way over in yonder. Way over in yonder. On the other side, and that's where I went to the park with all those great big trees. On the other side of that. Wow, it's getting humid out here. Took a walk in the morning at 8 o'clock, but it ain't gonna matter. See the birds on the lines? I know it's hard to see, but they're way in the distance. Wow, I'm sweating. This is a good long walk. There they are. Feeling better. They're just setting up there. There goes a truck. Dump truck. Yeah, I hope people enjoy my outdoor videos. Yes, it was an indoor video, but I hope people enjoy them. I love doing them. It gives me exercise and something fun to do. Now, I have heard from, I gotta get out of the way, walk in the middle of the street. Okay. I have heard from old timers that this used to be a highway going that way, but I don't know. There's more of a path. I'm not sure where that goes. What's more dead fish? Oh, what do you know? Another brick street. Hasn't been completely covered up. Yeah, that's nice. People that live out in the country, they can come over here. They can come crossing this alley-esque, whatever. They can pick, where was I? Oh yes, people that come out in the country can fill up in this water pumping station. Right here, this little bitty brown building. Well, they started to pave it. You see where it's paved here and it goes back to brick, and then it's here brick. Up here they started to pave it and then they stopped. You can see patches of pavement. The rest is brick. I don't know why they stopped and started. A little silly if you ask me. Roto-Rooter. Shit. I'm gonna do something again. Don't try this. But I see no trains coming. I look pretty safe. So I wouldn't highly recommend this. But I see no trains coming. So I'm safe. Would recommend it. I just didn't want to go all the way down there across the street. Down there. Because I'm running short on time here. Bricks. Right there. You can see them seeping through. Over there, I'm not going to film too much of it. Actually, I'm not going to film it all. Over there is the police station. I'm not going to film the back end of it either. Well, I'm going to take a seat up here. I'm going to end this video here officially. No, it's not as exciting as it was yesterday, but I'm going to end this video. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. And I don't say Green Just a Cow, but he's not on this one. And I say Mom Eater, she made a special appearance yesterday. Anyway, that's all for now.